Why school doesn't teach everything you need to succeed. Imagine graduating with excellent grades but realizing no one taught you how to manage money, communicate effectively, or make important life decisions. Is school enough to prepare you for the real world? School gives us a strong foundation by teaching subjects like math, science, history, and language. These are important, but success also depends on practical life skills. Many schools don't teach budgeting, investing, entrepreneurship, time management, or effective communication. These are skills many people learn only after leaving school. The good news is that learning never has to stop. Through books, online courses, and educational videos, you can develop new skills at any stage of life. Remember, education isn't just about passing exams, it's about becoming a lifelong learner. Keep asking questions, stay curious, and never stop improving. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more educational content.